Hello there everybody, Sam's Lookers here, welcome back to the railway. Today I'll be reviewing some more Hornby coaches, and those coaches today are these. Some Great Western Railway corridor, corridor coaches. Now it's very nice, but I love the sort of colour, these chocolate and cream colour, which is sort of thing I've got on the Pullman coach as well, over there and over there. And also a Mark 1 I've also got, so I love this colour because it's all Great Western sort of themed. Anyway, I think it's time we have a look and find out what detail these coaches have in store for us today. So here we have the normal composite coach, which is the corridor coach. Now, I've already got the same one, as you can see here. They're both 6135. Now, I was gonna get a different coach, but these were the cheapest ones. I think these were like £20, I think, like £18. So the other ones, I think they're like £26. So how much? I've got £8 off, I think. Yeah, yep, £8 off. So as you can see here, you got the button logo. Logo for the Great Western Railway, which is GWR, or there's other logos like the name or just the letters on the side. This one's in the circle version. Now, as you can see, you've got the painted handles, which is really nice. Actually, are they handles? No, yeah, they are. You just can hold onto them as you get on, which is quite good for Great Western. Now, there's not a lot of stock on parts, apart from a couple of parts of the bogies and a couple of bits in the ends. No sprung buffers, by the way, because this is Hornby Railroad. I think I said Hornby earlier, so sorry about that. If I did say Hornby, it's Hornby Railroad. So yeah. Anyway, let's move on to the brake coach. So here we have the Great Western Railway brake coach, and as you can see, it's very similar to the normal coaches, apart from it's got their brake parts where the guard or luggage parts would actually be. The guard would be somewhere at the back. There'll be a little pole pointing down, and it will start twisting it to put on the brakes of this. I think it's this part here. But as you can see here, it says luggage. Now, you can put luggage in there, but the actual guard actually stands at the very back here. So it's only got like a couple of meters of space. So not very good. Oh, actually, I just noticed something. The guard's bit is here. Whoops. I thought it was over here. No, it says guard here. So it's got this space, so from here to there. So it's quite a large space when you think about it. So yeah, right. I think you have to get these three coaches onto the hill test and find out how freewheeling these wheels are on these bogies / coaches. Yeah, let's find out, shall we? Now notice that these wheels are plastic wheels, not metal wheels. Plastic equals friction, which equals them slowing down. So I'm not sure if they're going to do it properly on this test, so hopefully they'll pass this test, so I'll just give it a nudge and see how far it goes. Right, it's off. That stopped. Still at the top of the hill. Oh dear, let me give another nudge. Oh, that wasn't really fair because I pushed a little bit too hard. Moving the force. Yeah, it doesn't go that far, just like I expected. Even if I had put more pressure on it, it would have put more force. So I'm guessing that the other one would be exactly the same. So I'll put this on. If I actually go onto the track properly. Put it about there. No, there you go. And push it now. Yeah, exactly the same. as you can see. A load of friction there. Yeah, not very good. Hopefully the brake coach should be a little bit different. I've just noticed something very peculiar. We have metal wheels on this one, but then when you look at this one, it's got plastic wheels. Very odd. I mean, why would you have two different types of wheels on roughly the same coach, but just one brake, one non? It's very peculiar. Anyway, let's push this a little bit forward. Not lose my words. And see how far it goes down this hill. I mean, it has got a plastic axle. They've all got plastic axles. Yeah, the same as the other ones. Right, I think it's time to get all these coaches being pulled by a train. Let's find out what locomotive I've chosen for you all today. So here we are at the station, with, unfortunately, the coaches are playing hide and seek, because it seems to have disappeared. I'm not joking, they're not. They're actually behind all these coaches here, being pulled, which are going to be pulled by the Great Western Railway King class. Then on the inside track, I've got the panel tank with a chocolate and cream liveried Mark 1, I think. Yeah, I think it's a Mark 1. I can't remember if it was a Mark 1, but I think it is. And then you've got the Manor Pullman's coaches, which are Rosamond and car number 77, third class. Just if you wanted to know. Right, I'll get the King class going first with her rake of Western Railway coaches. And off she goes. I'll put it to about half speed because she goes quite quick. It's quite nice to see a fast locomotive going around. And then, of course, let's get the power tank running. Hopefully it doesn't stall the first try. And it hasn't. Oh, it did. Let's put it about... about halfway between the red dot and the end. And here comes the King class with the first lap of the day. Smashing she is. Anyway, enjoy this running session. The power tank's doing really well at the moment. I mean, that's probably about sort of speed she would be doing on heritage lines. And here comes the King class again. That's probably her fourth lap she's done now. So yeah. I mean, these two Great Western locomotives do very well. Yeah. I mean, apart from the one-on-one class, which is technically Great Western, but it's in the privately owned. But all with a bit of derailment over there, so I better fix that. Now that it's sorted, it's okay. Just a bit of a track problem, what it was. A bit of a loose bit around one of the curves, 30 radius curves that is. But yeah, they've been doing really well. I'm smashing with that King class. I mean, I think there's only one of this kind of livery left. I mean, there's King over the first. At the moment it's having an overhaul, so it should be done by 2023, I think. But you never know. The power tank is going quite slow, which is about perfect for branch line speed. So yeah, I mean, I've had this for I think 3 weeks now. That's a train show, so it's got slower as it's going through the weeks for some reason. Probably just motors just hasn't been used a lot. It is second hand, so I think it got a bit too cold, so it froze up, and then speed it up, and it's going back to its normal speed. I mean, they weren't power tanks. Are not supposed to be on the main line. I mean, they are now, like the there's a London Transport train and the British Railways black version. Yeah. L94 and something else. I can't remember. But yeah, let's talk about the Great Western Railway coaches. I mean, they always say that chocolate and cream coaches are most suitable for the Great Western, apparently. Because they say that chocolate and cream is made down there, apparently. In the south areas, because there's more farmland, apparently. Because it's more flat. Whoever's doing geography, that'll help you in the test. Yeah. And there goes the King Class. And there goes the power tank. And the Great Western Railway livery. And as you can see, there's a large prayer in the background somewhere. I'm trying to fix it, but there's a motor problem. It doesn't seem to be turning properly, so I'll fix that one day. And with that, I think that's all I've got time for today. Join me next time when I do a running session with some sort of streamlined coaches. Oh god, hang on. There's a bit of a German over here, so I better fix that. As I was saying, next time I'll be doing running session with some smoke-deflected locomotives. Oh my flipping god, that is a really bad accident. Now when that's sorted, again, track problems again, the smoke detector, running session next time, the end. Finally, right, I'll see you next one, have a good rest of your day. Yeah, see you soon everyone, bye for now.